What's up, guys? I'm here to give you a real good tip, okay? So as a contractor, it's really important to understand that the reviews and the picture you take of the work, it's really critical to help you land your next job. Every single time, for some of you that have used the app already, some of you haven't, every single time you're getting ready to finish a job, the app is going to ask you to take pictures to prove the work has been done. Now, sometimes the customer might be there, sometimes the customer might not be available. But either way, you're taking great photos, not only just for them, but it's also for next customers that's going to decide to hire you. Because every single time you send a bid, those reviews, those pictures of the completed work are automatically attached to your bid, meaning the customer can actually see them, can read what other people think of your work, and it can also see pictures of the completed work. This tip will help you close more deals and make more money.